Good morning students. Today our topic is class 11th subject geography, chapter number फर्स्ट जियोग्राफी एज ए डिसिप्लिन। तो आज इस चैप्टर में जो हम टॉपिक करने वाले हैं वो टॉपिक होगा जियोग्राफी एज एन इंटीग्रेटिंग डिसिप्लिन, या फिर अदर सब्जेक्ट रिलेशंस भी इसके हम बता सकते हैं कि इसका अदर सब्जेक्ट से क्या रिलेशंस है। जियोग्राफी एडॉप्ट ए holistic approaches in its study and reasons the interpret investigating the exit in the world. Quick and efficient means of transportation have converted the present day world into a global village. Database has been enriched by audio visual media, information technology, being an integrating discipline. Geography is linked with several natural and social science. The primary aim of natural and social science is to understand the reality. Geography is acquired to compare the association of phenomena as related in the association of the phenomena as related in the section of reality. The reality of geography with several natural, social and biological science as shown in figure clearly depicts these sciences are closely related to geography because there are subtle changes in their elements. Geography is a subject which is capable of making us understand the reality to totality in its spatial perspectives. The geography that notes of spatial variation in the phenomena and also integration them holistically. Obviously, a geographer is supported to have the basic knowledge of full of the related fields so that to be is able to integrate them. The integrators of the related fields is necessary. A have to proper understanding of geography. Physical geography and natural science. Physical geography is closely related to the physical and natural science. Traditionally, physical geography strongly linked with geology, meteorology, hydrology and pedology. As such, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography and soil geography and important branches of physical geography. These branches draw from of their representative sciences and enrich geographical knowledge. Similarly, biogeography is closely linked with the geology, botany and ecology. A geographer is supported to have the basic knowledge mathematics because geography details with latitude and longitude which help us in determining the location of places on the global which is the true representatives. The earth is the three-dimensional where maps which comprise the basis tools of a geographer are two-dimensional. The true shapes of their earth is guided with depends upon the projections. तो इसका जो जियोग्राफी एंड इट्स रिलेटेड विद अदर सब्जेक्ट्स, फर्स्ट इकोलॉजी, जियोलॉजी, बायोलॉजी, सोशलॉजी, सोशल जियोग्राफी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, soil geography, mathematics and other subjects. For converting three dimensionals grade into two dimensional maps, further cartography and quantitative techniques required sufficient knowledge and mathematics, statistics and economics. A geographer is also expected to be a good artist because preparation of maps require a lot of artist imagination. Making sketches, mental maps and cartographic work require a lot of proficiency in art, geography and science, social science. Geography and social science show that branches of human geography have direct link with social science as such as history, political science, sociology, philosophy, archaeology, economics, demography, etc. History and geography are closely related to each other because those two subjects are concerned with the time of the space respectively according to the Hartshorne's descriptions. According to time is history, that according to space is geography. टाइम को यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री में शो दिखाते हैं, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन दिखाते हैं, जबकि ज्योग्राफी में स्पेस का डिस्क्रिप्शन दिखाते हैं. हिस्ट्री इज ए नैरेटिव जियोग्राफी डिस्क्रिप्शंस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एनी रीजन्स हैज़ इट्स रूट्स एंड इन द पास्ट. हिस्ट्री प्रोवाइड ए बैकग्राउंड फॉर ज्योग्राफी, जैसे वर्ल्ड ड्रग्स या ईस्ट हैव राइटली सेड द geographers and historian are historian now it very well that their field of study are interrelated and have to borrow from each others. They have further comprised geography is in fact inseparable from history which created it. Geography provide the stage of which drama of history is enacted. Political science is primarily concerned with territories, people and acting, while political geography is integrated study the state of spatial unit as well as people and their political behaviors. Economic geography is a very important branch of human geography which has a very deep relation with economy. We find large scale similarities in the subject matter of economics and economic geography. Economics deals with economy, need for man and the source of their supply, as such production, distribution, exchange, consumption of goods. Each of these attributes of special aspect which is the studies by economy concerned with demography, social geography with sociology and cultural geography विद एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. तो ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट डे हम जो टॉपिक करने वाले हैं वो ब्रांचेज ऑफ ज्योग्राफी, सिस्टमेटिक एंड रीजनल ज्योग्राफी के बारे में करेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए गुड डे.